Hey. Wash these? Yeah, wash them and put them into egg crates for me. How many were there? 4? So Jerry was donated to us by a student here at Bedingfield that had raised him from when he was little, and they wanted him to be around other animals. Jerry has definitely been the life of the party. He thinks it's his farm, and he's the boss, and he's good personality. He's definitely full of personality, and definitely wants to know that he's the top bird around here. He loves to come up to people, be around people, just be around them, strut his stuff, which is natural turkey instincts, is to just strut his stuff and look as big as possible. So showing he's the top gobbler on this farm. Jerry's our first, so I'm looking to see if I can find him a brother or a girlfriend or somebody to just keep him company. He's a little curious of how these little birds are running around, and he's so big. So Jerry seems to think that I'm a turkey as well. I don't know if it's my beautiful beard or what, but he seems to think that he's a turkey and I'm a turkey, and that he wants to show his stuff to me. But he's good. He's never hurt anybody. He's just friendly, and he loves to be loved on.
No, we're good. I think we're good.
I got it. We're good, Amber. We're good. Oh, did you even get one?